Hello everyone, welcome to Alex518. So today I'm going to share my repair experience for this track 25 kilovolts amplifier. But before that, I'm going to bring you the background of this unit. Failure reported, no output voltage detected. This unit was installed into a bigger machine, and this bigger machine is the one triggered the output of this unit. But during operation, the bigger machine cannot detect any output voltage from this unit. No schematic diagram that I can use for troubleshooting. And this is the first time I troubleshoot this unit. And I don't have second unit to compare my readings. And all troubleshooting been performed offline with multimeter and my own little skills. Let's go. The purpose of this video is to share the method of repairing parts. There's no intention to advertise brands, disclose private properties, or promote any services. Just enjoy watching the video until the end. You might learn something new. Thank you. The first step that I wanted to do is to familiarize the external parts. The main reason why I need to familiarize the external parts is to give me an idea on how the unit works and what are the requirements to make the unit works. Local power switch. It is used to turn on and turn off the unit manually. AC input connector. It requires 120 volts AC to operate. Remote signal connector. It is used to interface into the system. In the system will control and operate the amplifier remotely. Output terminal and fans. That's all for familiarizing the external parts. Troubleshooting. Removing front cover. Remote signal control board can be accessed on this area. Perform components level checking. Verified all semiconductors like diode, transistors, MOSFETs, and other components that multimeter can check. Check possible low ohm or shorted IC by diode mode test all pins to ground. But no significant findings in this area. Power switch wirings. No broken wires, no bad contacts, and no bad solder. So this area is cleared. Let's move to the next. Removing back cover. 12 cards voltage doubler are accessible in this area. Each board consists of diodes and capacitors. Visual inspected each board, but all okay. Didn't spend much time in this area. Less likely one of these cards can cause the failure. Cooling fans. Manually spinned all 3 fans, but all were okay. Next, removing right cover. No electronics parts in this area. Proceed to the next cover. Removing left cover. 2 modules voltage doubler were available in this area. Each board consists of diodes and capacitors. Visual inspected each board, all okay. Did a quick diode mode check to all diodes. Check capacitors ESR and capacitance on board. No significant findings in this area. Next, removing bottom cover. 2 identical power boards were accessible in this area. One of 2 fuses blown at board number 2. Diac shorted at board number 2. No other components found shorted or low ohm. More details will follow shortly. Cooling fans. 2 of 3 fans jammed. More details will follow shortly. Continuation of troubleshooting. As I mentioned earlier, one fuse blown from second board located in this area. Shorted diac MT1 and MT2 also found at board number 2. Compare with board number 1, diac is open. Remove diac from board number 2 to confirm the diac is really shorted. Jam fan verification. And I'm showing you the video how the jam fans looks like. Third fan are spinning smoothly. First and second fans were jammed. Continuation of troubleshooting. Sketch schematic diagram manually. 3 defective parts are linked to each other. It probably started with the jammed fans and electrically overstressed the diac and fuse. Sad violence. So we have spare parts for fans and also for the fuse. We don't have the spare parts for this diac. The key parameters are 600 volts, current 15 amperes, and gate triggering is 50 milliamps. To complete the repair, we need to find the replacement. We have the replacement. The part number is BTA 16600C. Voltage is 600, current is 16 amps, and gate triggering is 25 milliamps. So the replacement is more sensitive than the original. But for me, it doesn't matter because it is only controlled the fan. So regardless that the fan will turn on earlier or turn on late, it doesn't really affect the system. Summary report. Failure. No output voltage detected. Root cause. Blown fuse. Shorted diac. Jammed fans. Some lessons learned. Spend more time troubleshooting at the failure related areas. Identify the jammed fan by manually spinning. Look for key parameters only in finding a replacement part. Compare suspected bad readings with second identical channel. Sketch your own schematic to give insight with the circuit functions. Test results. Unit will be tested on site due to missing interlock information for lab test. But don't worry, I keep you posted with the test results at the comment sections. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Please also hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. I have many success repair topics to share and you can learn. Thanks again and see you next time. Goodbye.